Welcome back to the Stocks to Buy Now podcast by Mirae Asset Sharekhan, powered by the Sharekhan research strategy of 3R, which is right sector, right quality, and right valuation. Today, we have an update on Shree Cement. The company is one of the lowest cost cement producers, which derives 65.7% of its power from green energy. Installed capacity stands at 62.8 mtpa, with brownfield expansions in Rajasthan and Karnataka adding 6 mtpa to reach 68.8 mtpa by FY26 end. The company targets over 80 mtpa capacity by 2028, with its long-term roadmap intact. Shree Cement consistently stays cash positive, and its focus on strengthening cash flows supports a debt-free expansion strategy and boosts profitability. The stock trades at 18x and 15.9x its EV/EBITDA for FY26 to FY27E, and we maintain a buy rating with a target price of Rs 33,400, backed by its improving profitability profile. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.